Kishan Reddy, who's also escalating his attack on the NC and the Congress. He says that after seeing the statement of Pakistan's defense minister, it is clear that they are all on the same page. And at this point of time, it's the BJP that's also reminding the Congress of the kind of comments they made during the surgical strikes. Let's listen in.
पाकिस्तान का डिफेंस मिनिस्टर स्टेटमेंट देखने के बाद फिर एक बात दुनिया के सामने ये दोनों, ये तीनों, ये चारों एक ही पेज पर है. वो डिफेंस मिनिस्टर बोले, हम नहीं बोल रहे. पाकिस्तान का डिफेंस मिनिस्टर खुद एक्सेप्ट किया है. हम कांग्रेस, एनसीपी और पाकिस्तान एक ही पेज पे है. मींस ये कांग्रेस पार्टी हो, नेशनल कॉन्फ्रेंस हो, भारत के भला के लिए काम नहीं करते हैं.
Pradeep continues to stay with us. Pradeep, the National Conference has made its agenda clear and it's in black and white in their manifesto. But when you ask Farooq Abdullah about the kind of comment made by Pakistan's defense minister, he said, Pakistan se pooche, I'm an Indian, I'm not a Pakistani, they can say what they want. How do you think this now, with this attack coming in from the BJP, that Pakistan, Congress and NC are on the same page, how do you think the NC will now counter these attacks?
See, one thing is quite clear that this is the standard operation procedure that these political parties in Kashmir Valley had been following. And it is conveniently that Farooq Abdullah is trying to shrug off his shoulder from the controversy, saying that he's an Indian and nothing to do with the what statement has been given by the defense minister. But look at the statement. If you are going to read between the lines, what defense minister is trying to say, that these two political parties are going to come into power. There's a lot of momentum it has picked up in Kashmir Valley because they want the restoration of Article 370, and all these three political parties on the same page. That is the question which the BJP, both the Prime Minister Narendra Modi as well as the Home Minister, had been asking Congress Rahul Gandhi, that why he's silent on the issue. Clear their stand on restoration of Article 370 because Article 370 is something, it's restoration is against the idea of India. It is discriminatory in nature because Rahul Gandhi keeps on talking about the reservation. Article 370 has given dignity to Valmiki Samaj, the scheduled caste tribe, because they have given them, made them as stakeholders from sweepers. That is what actually this restoration, abrogation of Article 370 has done. If we are going to restore Article 370, that means once again the rights will be denied to them. They will no more be having the dignity, and once again the voting rights will also be denied. So these are the questions that will be asked to the Rahul Gandhi.
And let's also not forget, Pradeep, that the Pakistan defense minister seems to be rooting for the victory of Congress and National Conference in the Jammu and Kashmir elections. Let's see how this story pans out because it's the biggest story we are tracking this afternoon on Times Now. Let's also